I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Aw, that's cute.
Look at that. Ooh. I just want to show y'all how annoyed I am.
I got you sprung off in the springtime. Don't need no free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud.
Hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? Damn, it's fucking hot in here. Hello everybody, my name is Ayanna and welcome to another video. So we're gonna do a little weekend in my life. Today is Friday. I'm off until Tuesday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I don't have any exact plans, but I want to have fun this weekend, no matter what that looks like for me. I'm on the way to my boyfriend's house right now. I got me some tropical smoothie. If y'all got a tropical smoothie near you, what's your favorite smoothie? I get the pomegranate plunge. It is so good. If you like sweet stuff, the pomegranate plunge is for you. So, dang. Hold on. So good. Okay. So, pomegranate plunge, and I got me a Caribbean jerk chicken wrap with some sun chips. So I'm about to eat this while I'm driving, and that's it. I ain't got nothing to say, nothing to talk about. I'm just about to head there. Oh, and don't mind my hair. I just washed it and blow dried it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I don't feel like doing it today, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna do a little DIY silk press. And if y'all want to see how I do my silk press, one, I'm gonna post a video on my TikTok. I'll put my TikTok up here, and then two, I already have a video of how I do my silk press on my channel. It's my very first video. So I don't know how to put a video like on the screen, but I'm gonna figure it out. When I figure it out, I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all. Besides that, that's it right now. I'm about to drive, about to eat, and I hope y'all are having a good weekend, or have a great weekend whenever y'all see this. I'll probably post it on a Friday. So I hope y'all have a great weekend. Enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Do you want to be in it? Okay. Alright, genius. What is
So you think I ain't gonna speak for my house? I want 1,000. Yup.
What's up? I ain't got nothing to say. I'm just coming on here. I'm about to go to Target. I need to get me some vitamins and stuff. I need to, the hoodie that I got my boyfriend for Christmas, we need to exchange that. We haven't done that. It's about to be a whole month later. So we gotta do that. I need to get my dog some dog food. And we need to go to the hair store. Hair store probably closes like 8, it's 5. So we need to go to the hair store too. So I got a couple things I need to do. He just went in there to change his screen protector on his phone. He be breaking that shit every day. But that's it. I ain't got nothing going on. Waiting on the young bull. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I am. This looks good. Y'all posted a video on my TikTok of me waxing myself. Go watch it. I'm gonna put it up here so y'all can go. So I can go to my TikTok and see it. Hair done. Last time I came on here, my hair wasn't done. It's done now. We had some Dave's hot chicken earlier. If it's one near y'all, go try it. Them chicken sandwiches so good. I was skeptical to try it at first because people was like, it wasn't good. Like it wasn't up to the hype. But nah, it's good. And I'm not a picky eater, but I just don't try stuff. So if I'm saying it's good for real. Like I got good taste buds. But yeah, that's it. I'm still figuring out this camera and stuff. I don't like that when you start recording, it still like zooms in. It's supposed to be 20 millimeters, which is supposed to be a wide angle. But when you press record, it still zooms in some. Or I just need to figure out what I'm doing. Let me see. All right, hold on.
My business, that's how mice work. Made 400,000.
All for some what?
All for some pretzels. I need some auntie, man. You want a milkshake? I want some auntie. You don't want nothing else?
Love you. All right, we gotta record that way.
That's a great bitch. And I can be a... Hold on, this shit not even focused.
It's focused. No, you gotta record the other way for YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Look at my goddamn wifey looking rich. Can we see that chain real quick? That shit glistening. So...
I hope you recorded okay. You're not that good.
Who not that good?
You're not.
Bro, I'm literally the
You
best
getting
one. Subscribe. Everything Ayanna. Got the pretzels. Subscribe.
That was good. Give me the fucking phone. Give me the fucking phone.
Hey, what are
your
for
turn.
the people?
Go.
Come on.
Show them what you made of.
I gotta record this for your brother.
Hey, the boo. Let's see. You got a knife or something so I can open the box?
How you gonna get me looking homely?
See if I can turn it a little bit.
What you doing? Get down. Get down. Get down, my
This
boo.
light produced some heat.
But don't put it up against the curtain.
Oh, the light ain't on it. The light on the right.
Oh.
I have no idea what this is. But it's y'all not here.
Come here, bud.
I don't even know where to
Just
maybe
open
inside. Here we go.
Bud. She's excited.
I'm nervous.
Then Sean been wanting to open it and then just rewrap it. This is from your brother.
Light here, one. Lord Jesus.
Daddy, what's up with him?
Is this supposed to, is it just like a light like this?
EA, everything Ayanna.
Aw, that's cute. When I get my first million, you're going to be the first one to get something. Ugh. That's cute.
So yeah, you take it off the box and then the light.
And it lights up. That's pretty cool.
She likes it.
That's a cool gift.
He's telling me the video is too long for me to send.
Probably to his phone. You might just have to show him when you get here.
Or I might have to send it to his Instagram page, maybe. Well, yeah, you're right to send to his phone. I was about to sit on Buddy.
It's got a lot of... I'm trying to figure out how am I supposed to...
Oh, that's probably if you want to mount it to the wall.
Yeah. I'm gonna do with this part. Oh, that's a lot of...
Yeah, this is the stuff to mount it to the wall. Here's your remote.
Let's go here. It's a plug right here, ain't it?
Yeah, it should be right here behind. Let me see it.
You strong, girl. Oh, that is so cool. That's cool.
Hold on, let me get a picture. Hold on. Turn around. That's it. Hold on, let me get a picture. There you go.
That is so cool.
Come on, boo.
I can make it hurricane. I don't know what I was expecting, but I definitely wasn't expecting that.
Well, you're up awful early.
I don't know if you want to go there for that or you want to just go to a grocery store.
I mean,
Like where you can knock out 2 birds in 1 stone. Fuki, stop while I'm talking. Stop being rude. Come on now.
let me look at my list. I mean, I can go to any store for real.
What do you want? Is that what you want to do or you don't want to do? You want to go to Walmart? I'll go to Walmart.
Do you want to go to Walmart? Are you okay with Walmart?
I'm cool. I just know you said you had to grab it, so that's all I'm saying. It's not that important.
I mean, I can get stuff out of Walmart. I don't want to go to Walmart. But it's going to be I don't want to go to Walmart, but Walmart probably going to be like the cheapest groceries. And so
I thought it was on the jacket over this.
it is cool. Alrighty. And we're in. Off to the store. Off to the store, bitch. You a whore.
You know what I'm doing? I like the sweatsuit in general. I'm gonna wear it together, but I'm about to put on a furry jacket right now.
I can't never get you nothing.
Double jacket up. This shit be uncomfortable. Huh?
Nothing.
You say you're not giving me nothing that day.
That's what you said.
Why don't you wear the black one with the green in the inside?
What black with the green is?
Right behind you.
This one?
Yeah.
I'm trying to goddamn be warm. I don't like driving that shit.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Pull your strings out. Paw.
You said what?
Pull your strings out your pants.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Turn the light off.
Ready?
He act like he pay bills up in here.
Let's go, Bill Squirt.
Up to the store. Make that cold.
This is another day that's gonna test my car. Cause they said that other hose could fuck up. 2 heater hoses. So hopefully that shit don't fuck up.
Did he fix the heater hose?
He picked one of them, it's 2 of them.
It's
So you
2?
gotta take off the intake and do it. That shit gonna be there.
Oh, that's what my dad was talking about. You got to go through the dashboard.
Yeah.
But he said it's easy.
Well, he gonna take my other one today. I figured.
No, my daddy gonna make you do it on your own. He'll tell you what to do. He gonna make you do it on your own, though. He ain't gonna do it for you. Huh? No, he gonna teach you so you'll know for the future. Yeah. Hit it twice.
I don't let too many people play with that though. That can take that's a harder job to do.
My dad literally got a stain.
I know he do, but that's just not no easy job to do. Even this first one where he had to get that shit out, bro, that shit wasn't easy. He cut his hand off type shit on that.
Up to the store.
Streets get dusty, straight out on my grind, came up, tossed around the park, this man got me so excited. New man got new bitches with motives in my bed. Girl, know I got sleep with that ratchet in my
It's not a good
we some savages.
Shut up. You always got something to say. Get Parmesan cheese too. I was freaking talking to you. What?
Customer needs assistance at the sewing machines. Customer needs assistance at the sewing machines.
At the sewing machine. I need some dark brown sugar. Hold it. Light brown, dark brown. Let me look at my menu. You want to do some recording?
Do I want to?
Mm-hmm.
Not really.
No.
Do you want me to?
It's okay, you don't have to.
Do you want me to?
If you're going to push the buggy. Chicken breast. Go ahead, push the buggy. We got jumbo shells. We got dark brown sugar. Let me see if they got some salt. Should be on this aisle too. I need some kosher salt. Here we go, kosher salt. I see like a small thing. Oh, do we pass? Oh no, it might be on this aisle. Chocolate chips. We need to find the chocolate chips, love. Ooh. Let's go. Push the buggy. This is kind of awkward, but you just gotta do it, you know? If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it.
What?
This. Scan.
I just gotta get
You don't put that same type of stuff in the same bag.
You want me to steal something?
Okay, that's in the video. No, we're wholesome.
Steal something.
Oh god. Oh my god. He don't give a fuck about the bag.
You said you wanted to be $2.
It's okay. No.
I won't scan one.
That's okay, we can do it.
You just scan one?
No, I'm going for it.
Stop always doing the right thing.
Come on.
You only got one.
Scan it.
Wow. You're literally a good civilian.
Wow. For dinner.
Like this, when Brooklyn hit me, fuck nigga lane. Nigga can't block my motion. I've been in shit, best stay in your lane. Nigga, you nigga straight, none of you fuck.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna make some more chocolate chip. No, make some more cookies. Last time I made snickerdoodle. This time I make chocolate chip. And we're doing another Jasmine Kitchens video. Chocolate chip. So we're about to make this and get started. Got everything we needed from the store.
Off a 16 passenger, this a G5, no, this not a challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge, get coat seats, they some cannibals. They like to geek, drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. She said she said 3D. I go in the jungle and ain't got a coat, I bet I come out with a mean. I bet I do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity lane, and in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun of some carrots, some pointers. All these comers, I want fun. Me go gunners out the jump. We buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no fun. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot, take 3 blocks to the tropics. Nigga one shit, I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded, diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance, don't touch a dick like it get cocked. Don't touch it. Show 'em and this at the party. We get bitches gon' trend on the top, keep trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it and none of these niggas gon' stop. Pull up, gone. Get that shit, don't get a cup for the drip. I'm on motherfucking 5 kilos. Keep stacking your banger, get bigger. Never would, I throw some shit on niggas. I'm telling you, little nigga, don't play with these niggas. I see the big picture, we up on these niggas. The hot show, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the six. Water on me, like the sun, carrots, some pointers. All these comers, I want fun, we go gunners out the jump. Buy it all, front up, nigga. Take on me, no fun.
Video said 13 minutes, so I'm gonna do 10. See how they pull up in that video. So I'll do 13 total. This is
I was outside just serving narcotics.
10 minutes.
Nigga made one move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. We gone, chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot, take 3 blocks to the tropics.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to try the cookie. My boyfriend tried it already. He said it's a little salty, so I tried a little piece. It's a little salty. Just a little salty. I didn't even show y'all what's for dinner, but I'm gonna make, y'all seen on TikTok, it's like creamy shrimp and chicken, Tuscan shells or whatever, like stuffed shells with shrimp and chicken. Last time I put egg, chicken, jumbo shells, shrimp over here. Now I just gotta make the sauce. It's got to be good.
You coming for a second? Can you come here?
Just shred that chicken right there.
How the fuck you do that?
Just take the fork and just like go like that. Take the fork and just pull the chicken apart. Use both hands. Cause that's going inside my stuffed
Okay, this is some slavery shit.
Pookie, that's literally going inside my stuffed shells.
It's hot.
Don't touch the chicken. Don't touch the chicken. I know you ain't eat my chicken.
You want me to cut up that other one too from Waffle House?
Yeah.
We're gonna eat it.
No, I'm just gonna.
I eat it.
Okay.
I eat it cold too. Just cut up.
A little bit smaller. Keep going.
No, bro. This is
Like
slavery
those.
shit.
What are you talking about?
I'm trying to make you do some slave stuff.
No, I'm not. I'm literally just.
This shit smells good though, right? Wow. You want me to heat up the other piece?
Yeah. Do you want it? Yeah.
I want to heat up here.
No, put it in.
I'm gonna take one bite out of it and put the rest in there. This guy with syrup on it. What's gonna throw off the flavor?
It's not syrup. It wasn't syrup.
What's in it?
Just chicken juice. What'd you just do?
I wish my brother had made it out surgery. Pookie, you didn't tell me that damn shredded. Like I'm at the Mexican restaurant.
That's what other type of shredded?
Goodness gracious. Boy, you shredded that shit to the...
Taste mine. Which one? Taste mine. Which one's better?
Yo. Damn, buddy. I taste on the shells.
Love it.
Okay.
Mine tastes better, don't it? Okay. Can you flip them shrimp over?
I put something on TV, bro.
This don't shred like my shit.
You say it don't spread like my chicken. What's something to flip it with?
What's your fork? Where'd the fork go?
What's your fork?
Get a fork.
And then the steam on and this damn ring light, I don't even know if I'm flipping all of them. Fucking cook like this. I think I flipped them all. Flip this little bad boy right here. He don't want to flip over. Show you that little.
Oh, I just burped. Oh, that was not cute. Here is the shrimp and the chicken. Shredded chicken. Shrimp is cooked. I'm gonna put some butter in the pan. My shell's almost done back there. You are hilarious. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Shut up, I got you.
Oh shit. Thank you, boo. Boo, turn it. Alright, his raw reaction on eating the stuffed shells. Let's listen closely. Mmm. Is it good for real?
It's good though.
Deadass?
No, deadass.
Not you, just the plate. Time to slide. Okay, y'all, I had to remake the cookies because they were super salty the next day, but I remade them and they are so good. Look at them. And I didn't put the right amount of sugar in them yesterday, so I put the right amount of sugar today, and I used regular butter instead of salted butter, and that made all the difference. But they are good. Let me try one with y'all. He in the back smashing.
I'm gonna go crazy around too, bitch. She was in that motherfucker whipping. What we said failure is not an option.
Let me show y'all how it.
Hey, you know you can't eat cookies, bro.
Look at that. Ooh.
Get your butt down.
Ooh. That's a fucking chocolate chip motherfucking cookie.
That's the best cookie I've had. It's better than it's on me.
Period.
Unsalted butter.
This is good. Okay, y'all, my weekend is over. I took my mom and my brother some of the stuffed shells and some chocolate chip cookies, and they loved them, of course. I'm so glad the cookies came out better today. Oh, because I was sad. I was sad yesterday when they came out salty. But they were good today. So now I'm just about to wrap my hair, get ready for work tomorrow. Do not want to go to work. Work is ruining my life. Alright, y'all, this is the end. This is the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed my weekend. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. This vlog was supposed to end yesterday, but I got caught off work this morning, so should we just continue on? I think so. They called me. Lord, let's talk. Okay. They text me like 5:30, like, you're on call, whatever. So I was up till like 8 because I couldn't go back to sleep. And then I finally went to sleep at like 8 and I woke up at like 10. So now I'm about to go get Buddy some dog food because my boy ain't got no dog food. All he got is wet food. And I don't want to just keep giving him wet food. So I'll get some dog food. Yesterday I bought, I'll show y'all when I get back. I'm about to go get some dog food. Yeah, I completely forgot that I said I was going to keep vlogging today. But I came back from the store. I found the probiotics I wanted to get. I wanted to get something that was a prebiotic and a probiotic. Good for your gut health. So I got this one, the Heyyyyy probiotic. And I got some more. I got these the other day. I got some turmeric ones, good for inflammation in the body. Then I got some omega-3s, also good for inflammation in the body. And then I just got a women's daily vitamin with Ollie as well. So I'm gonna try these, see how I like these. Oh, closet clean not gonna be out before this, but I bought some little fragrance smell thingies. They're just like room fresheners to put in my closet, keep the closet smelling good. And then I just got me some more face moisturizer with SPF in it. And right now I'm just going to work on making a vision board, and that's gonna be a whole nother video. The vision board video will actually be out before this video because I want to get it out before January over with. So I'm about to make my vision board, go ahead and record that, put that up. Well, go ahead and hopefully I can edit it today. If not, I'll edit it Thursday, have it up for Friday. And I think that's it right now. I'm about to chill. Buddy over here resting up. He had some Chick-fil-A. He's funny. Why is he sitting there like that? But that's all I got going on. And then I just feel so lazy, but I want to go through these bags. I have not taken them to Goodwill yet because I want to go through and see like the stuff that got tags on and stuff like that. If maybe I can take it to Plato's and get a little bit of dollars or something for it, because stuff is hard out here. Everything is freaking expensive. Eggs are $10. Like, I need to get money where I can. So I'm gonna do that, straighten up a little bit around here, and that's all I got planned for right now. Yeah, he's tired. I don't even know why he's so tired. That fucking chicken from Chick-fil-A must have took him out. So that's it. That's all for now. I'll come back and update you all. Bye. Not gonna lie, Ollie low-key getting off on this. I just bought this. It's 30 gummies in here, but look how much space is in there. Like, it's so much space. Like, y'all wasting bottle. Come on now. I just want to tell y'all how annoyed I am. My normal hours for work are from 7 to 7. It's 3:55. Why I just get a call and they asking me to come into work? Alright, y'all, I'm back from work, in the bed. I done showered and everything. I didn't get to do my vision board, so I'm gonna do it on Thursday and have that uploaded and stuff for Friday. I have more stuff I want to do today, but whatever. It's all good. It's a part of the job, but this is really the end of the vlog now. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments, like the video. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.